Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to copper tape a guitar. This easy method significantly reduces electronic interference and hum, giving you a cleaner tone. Before we begin, gather your materials. You'll need a roll of copper tape, preferably with conductive adhesive, a pair of sharp scissors, and a multimeter to check your work. Having a small screwdriver set will also be very helpful for disassembly. First, carefully remove all the strings from your guitar. Next, unscrew and gently lift off the pickguard, exposing the electronic cavities. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging any wires or components. Once the pickguard is off, use a dry cloth to thoroughly clean the inside of all the cavities. This ensures the copper tape adheres properly and makes good electrical contact. Now, begin applying the copper tape to the inside of your guitar's cavities. Start by pressing the tape firmly into place, ensuring there are no air bubbles. It's crucial to overlap each strip of tape by at least 1/8 of an inch to ensure continuous electrical contact. Don't forget to also cover the entire back surface of your pickguard with copper tape, creating a complete shield. Before reassembling, use your multimeter to check for continuity across all the copper-taped surfaces. This confirms that your shielding is electrically connected. Once confirmed, carefully reattach the pickguard, making sure all electronic components are properly seated and wired. Finally, restring your guitar and plug it in. You should notice a significant reduction in unwanted hum and noise, enjoying a much cleaner sound.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.